Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, 3 classes will go to the book fair in the Toronto. The first class will arrive at the book fair at the time shows on the clock below, means 4:45. Each class will spend 30 minutes at the book fair and then leave. The second class arrives at the book fair after the first class leave. And the third class will arrive after the second class leave. So, at what time will the third class leave the book fair? Here, we have given that first class arrive at the time shows in the clock, means at 4:45, and as given each class leave for 30 minutes, so the first class leave after 30 minutes. It means 4:45 plus 30, that is 475, means to convert this, subtract 60 minutes from 75 minutes and add 1 hour to 4. So 475 means 5:15. So when the first class leave, second class arrive, that is second class will arrive at 5:15. Now the leaving time will be after 30 minutes, means second class leave after 30 minutes, that is add 30 minutes to 5:15, so that will be 5:15 plus 30 means 5:45. So the third class will arrive at 5:45 at the time of leaving time of second class. So third class leave after 30 minutes. It means 5:45 plus 30, that is 5:75. So to convert 5:75, subtract 60 minutes from 75 minutes and add 1 hour to 5. So that 5:75 means 6:15. Hence third class will leave at 6:15. So our correct option is option B, which is 6:15.